Hello friends, if you have a girlfriend and talk to her through WhatsApp, you do not want anyone to see your conversation with your girlfriend. This app is very useful for you. Stealth Tap prevents other people from viewing your girlfriend's WhatsApp messages by hiding the conversations within the app. When you hide a conversation, it is moved to a hidden folder that can only be accessed with a passcode or fingerprint. This means that even if someone else has access to your phone, they will not be able to see the hidden conversations unless they have your passcode or fingerprint. Additionally, Stealth Tap uses encryption to secure hidden conversations and protect them from being accessed by unauthorized users. Another way the Stealth Tap app helps to hide WhatsApp messages is by using the Archive Chat feature. This feature allows you to archive the conversation and it will disappear from your chat list. It will still be available in the archived folder, but it will be hidden from the main chat list. In conclusion, Stealth Tap is a great app for keeping your sensitive information private and secure. The app's ability to hide WhatsApp messages is just one of its many useful features, so be sure to download Stealth Tap and give it a try.